Hello everyone, and welcome back to SlideUpLift. Today we're diving into a presentation style that's bold, visual, and anything but boring, PechaKucha. But what is Pecha Kucha? Pecha Kucha, which means chit-chat in Japanese, is a presentation format where you show 20 slides, and each advances automatically every 20 seconds. That gives you 6 minutes and 40 seconds total, no more, no less. It was invented by Astrid Klein and Mark Ditham, two architects in Tokyo, who were frustrated with long-winded presentations. Their goal? To design a format that's tight, visual, and compelling. Why it works so well? PechaKucha helps sharpen your storytelling by cutting out the fluff, encouraging a strong visual flow, building rhythm and momentum, making the message memorable and impactful. Each slide becomes a moment in your narrative, moving the story forward without distractions. Let's look at a real example from our own PechaKucha deck. Energize our team. Simple steps to boost morale. Each slide uses a striking image and one key message. We begin with a problem, low energy and morale at work, illustrated through metaphors like a drooping plant or an overwhelmed worker. Then we introduce simple, actionable solutions, peer support, handwritten appreciation, active listening, clear communication, celebrating small wins. The story continues to show how these steps spark innovation, improve teamwork, and ultimately build a resilient team ready to thrive. All of this happens within 20 image slides, each lasting just 20 seconds. This is the power of the PechaKucha format. It's not just a format, it's a storytelling framework. If you're here, it means we share the same passion for stunning, professional, and effective presentations. Join our channel and get exclusive membership perks, including huge discounts on our premium template library and membership plans, plus a free presentation template every month. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more such content and see you in the next video.